So what's the difference between variable and fixed interest rates? Variable interest rates change over time. It is tied to another market interest rate. LIBOR is the industry standard, and it's generally LIBOR plus spread. So in business, this can generally be used for the working capital line, which we'll talk about in later lectures. In regular or in everyday life for individuals, home mortgages can actually have variable interest rates, and that's a lot more risky. And actually, adjustable rate mortgages, or ARMs, or adjustable rate mortgages, is what partially got us into a huge debt or a huge crisis back in 2008. So variable interest rates can change over time, and LIBOR is the industry standard, and it's generally LIBOR plus a spread. And again, working capital lines for businesses are what is one thing that uses LIBOR. So fixed interest rates. Fixed interest rates do not change over time, hence the word fixed. They're used for loans that have a longer duration. So think home loans and car loans. Home loans are generally fixed interest rate, but again, there are things called adjustable rate mortgages, which are more risky and caused a lot of the financial crisis. They are best for risk-averse borrowers. Fixed interest rates are because you know how much your interest is going to be and how much your payments are going to be. So with that being said, that's the end of this lecture about the differences between variable and fixed interest rates.